Hello friends, welcome back to Agri Exam. In this video, we will discuss some of the important questions on jute crop which will be very useful for all the upcoming agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, how many types of cultivated species of jute? And the answer is two types. First one it is white jute and next one it is yellow to red jute. The botanical name of white jute it is Quercus capsularis, whereas of yellow to red jute it is Quercus olutorius. Question number 4. Quercus capsularis, they have white fiber and that's the reason they are called as white jute. Question number 5. Quercus olutorius, it is also known as tosa. Next question. Leaf is bitter in taste of white jute is due to. It is due to the presence of corcorin. The leaf of white jute it is bitter in taste, and white jute it is also known as tita. Question number 8. Tasteless leaf of Quercus olutorius, hence they are known as metha pan. Question number 9. Which type of jute it is most popular? White jute, that is Quercus capsularis, it is most popular. The family it is Titiliaceae. Jute belongs to the family of Titiliaceae. It is originated from India and chromosome number it is 2 and is equal to 14. Question number 11. Most important fiber crop in India, and the answer is jute as well as cotton. They are also the important fiber crops in India. Question number 12. Which type of climate it is required? And the answer is warm and humid. Jute, they thrive best under a warm and humid climate with a temperature range from 24 to 37 degrees Celsius and optimum temperature being around 34 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. Fiber it is obtained from dash by rating. The fiber it is obtained from secondary phloem by the process of rating, and this jute it is a parenchymatous fiber. Question number 15. The weight of one bale of jute, and the answer is 180 kg. Next question number 16. For fiber purpose, the jute it is harvested at. The jute it is harvested before flowering if it is used as a fiber purpose. Question number 17. The planting time of white jute dash in low and midlands. The answer is late February to March. In this time period, the white jute it is planted in low and midlands, whereas of yellow to red jute it is April or May. Question number 19. The seed rate for broadcasting method it is 9 to 12 kg per hectare. Question number 20. Seed rate of jute in drilling, and the answer is 6 to 8 kg per hectare. The spacing it is 30 to 7.5 centimeter. Question number 22. The yield of jute for fiber purpose it is 20 to 27 quintals per hectare, whereas the yield of jute for seed production it is 3 to 5 quintals per hectare. Question number 24. JRC 321, JRC 212, JRC 7447. These are all the varieties of jute crop. Question number 25. Rating it is completed within. The answer is 8 to 13 days. Within this time span, the rating it is completed. Now here we will get some more information about what is rating. Rating it is nothing. It is a microbial process in which the aerobic and anaerobic bacteria and fungi they loosen the fiber by decomposing and dissolving the pectin, hemicellulose and other cementing agent. This process completes within 8 to 30 days. Slow moving clear water it is best for good rating, and the optimum temperature which is required for rating it is 34 degrees Celsius. Question number 26. Slow moving clear water it is best for good rating, and the optimum temperature which is required for rating it is about 34 degree Celsius. Question number 28. Ribboning it is a process which is related to, and the answer is jute. Ribboning it is related to jute, and this practice it is very common in China and Taiwan but not popular in India. This ribboning it consists of peel out of raw bark from the green plant immediately after harvest, and bundles of the ribbons thus obtained they are rated. Question number 29. Beat break jerk method it is used for fiber extraction. Question number 30. National Institute for Research on Jute and Allied Fiber Technology it is situated at, and the answer is Kolkata. Question number 31. It is a microbial process in which aerobic and anaerobic bacteria and fungi they loosen the fiber by decomposing and dissolving the pectin, hemicellulose and other cementing agent. This process it is nothing but rating. Question number 32. The ideal stage for harvesting it is small pod stage. It is the ideal stage for harvesting. The optimum time of harvesting it is about 90 days after sowing, but this stage the grain yield is very slow. So to obtain a good quality fiber and good yield, the jute it is harvested at small pod stage, which comes after 135 to 140 days after sowing. So this was all about the important points we have discussed about jute. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.